Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. Here I am Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take your Bangladesh and Global Studies class. So my dear students of class 8, all of you open your Bangladesh and Global Studies books. And our today's topic is creative question from chapter 12. So today we will discuss about creative question answer from chapter 12. And the page number is 152. So all of you open your book and go to page number 152. So I know all of you have known about creative question answer and you are used to write the answer. So let's have a review. Now my dear students, all of you know that in creative question answer there is a stem. There is a stem and there are four parts, there are four questions A, B, C and D. And question number A carries 1 mark, means it will carry 1 mark, and question number B will carry 2 marks, and question number C will carry 3 marks, and question number D will carry 4 marks. And question number A is called knowledge based question, and B comprehension based question, C application, and D higher ability. Now look my dear students, for answering the question number A, you need to write the correct answer. You need to collect the information from your textbook. You will get the answer directly from your book. Okay, at first let's read the stem. Ratan has come to visit a fertilizer factory at Khorassan with his friends. He finds the use of natural gas as raw material in this industry. At the same time, he also comes to know the direct role of the product of this industry in the enhancement of agricultural productivity. Now question number A. Which organization initiates the starting of the jute industry? Now look my dear students, for this answer, for knowledge based question answer, you need to memorize some information from your book. Otherwise you can give the answer, because you will not find the answer in this stem. It's not related to the stem. So what is the answer? We all know that Adamji Jute Mill. And my dear students, you can give the answer with one word, more than one word, but it is better to write the answer or to give the answer with a complete sentence. Now look, the answer is Adamji Jute Mill, which is at Narayanganj, initiates the starting of jute industry in 1951. So you can omit the year here. So our main answer is Adamji Jute Mill. And dear students, remember one point, it's very important. There shouldn't be any mistake in the answer, in the spelling of Adamji Jute Mill, because it's our correct answer. If there's any spelling mistake, you will get 0 out of 1. I repeat, you will get 0 out of 1 if there's any spelling mistake in Adamji Jute Mill. So remember it and remember about the spelling of the words of the correct answer. Now number B, describe the largest export oriented industry in Bangladesh, and it carries 2 marks. Now my dear students, 1 mark for knowledge and 1 mark for your understanding or comprehension. That means what you have understand after reading the text, you will use it or you will write it in your sentence. Now look, describe the largest export oriented industry in Bangladesh. So at first you need to know which one is the largest export oriented industry. So that's why you need to memorize it from your text, and which one, yes, all of you know the answer. That means the garment industry. So now you need to add few more lines, that means what you have understand, I mean you need to describe within 3 sentences. Now look, the largest export oriented industry in Bangladesh is the garments industry, and there are more than 3,000 units of garments industry at present in the country. Bangladesh earns a huge amount of foreign currency by exporting garments to the USA and European countries. Dear students, it's better to complete this answer within 3 sentences. How many? It's better to write the answer within 3 sentences. Okay? But you can also write 4 or 5 sentences, but it's better to complete the answer with 3 sentences to write the answer of question number B, which carries 2 marks. It is carry 2 marks, one for knowledge and one for understanding. Now, question number C. Explain the industry visited by Ratan. So, it's written that Ratan visited a fertilizer factory at Gorashal with his friends. So, now to write question number C, you need to you need to know some information from your text and what you have understand, and then you will apply it in a new situation. That means you will give some more information, and in the basis of this, on the basis of this STEM. Now number C and question number D will be related to the STEM. You need to use the STEM to write the question answer C and D. And question number C carries 3 marks, and 1 mark for knowledge, 1 mark for understanding, and 1 mark for application. Now look, and you will try to complete your answer within 12 sentences. It's better. Within 12 sentences, we will complete our answer. And again, 1 for knowledge, 1 for understanding, and 1 for application. So in total, it's 3 marks. Okay, let's read number C. Question number: explain the industry visited by Ratan. Number C, answer: the industry visited by Ratan is a fertilizer factory, and the first natural gas based fertilizer factory was established at Fenchgaon, Sylhet in 1961 with the objective of increasing food production in agro-based Bangladesh. Now look, it's mentioned there the factory was is at Gorashal with his friends, and the raw material of this factory is natural gas, and we have to find out the fertilizer factory, and the first factory, we have added that the first fertilizer factory was established at Fenchgaon, Sylhet, and it was the first natural gas based fertilizer, and it was established in 1961. And what is the objective? Why do you establish this factory? To increase the food production of our country. Now we will add a few more sentences. And at present, there are 8 fertilizer factories in our country, and Bangladesh imports a huge amount of fertilizer from foreign countries because the production of these factories is not sufficient to meet the demand of fertilizer in Bangladesh. Now my dear students, with the help of your text and with the help of the STEM, you will write the answer of question number C. Now question number D. And question number D carries 4 marks, and we will try to write the answer within 15 sentences. It's better to write the answer within 15 sentences. We will write maximum 15 sentences. I repeat, we will write maximum 15 sentences to write the answer of question number D. Now in question number D, we need to use the stem, and there may be some sentences or some quotes. You need to justify them, you need to analyze them. Maybe sometimes you maybe agree or you may disagree, so there will be an argument, but at the end you will show your opinion or what you have get from the stem, that means your decision. Okay, let's see number D. The relation of industrialization with farmers' socio-economic development is clear in Ratan's experience. Justify. And now, my dear students, look, for 4 marks, 1 mark for knowledge, 1 mark for understanding, 1 mark for application, and 1 mark for higher ability or higher application. Ability for 1 mark. So I don't write these 3 points. So higher ability, for higher ability 1 mark. So in total it will be 4 marks. Now question number D. The relation between the socio-economic development of the farmers and industrialization has been experienced in the experience of Ratan. So Ratan has experienced the relation between socio-economic development of the farmers and the industrialization. From the stem we get this knowledge. And now look, the economy of Bangladesh is mostly depend on agriculture. If the production of agriculture increases, the economy of the country will increase and the socio-economic condition of the farmers will improve as well. So industrialization is needed to develop the agriculture sector. And in this case, what happened? What will happen? Industrialization in agriculture means the development of agriculture based industry. One of the main elements for increasing production in agriculture is chemical fertilizer. If the fertilizer industry improves, the production of Bangladesh in the agriculture sector will also improve. And the socio-economic condition of the farmers will develop with the increase in production of agriculture. And nowadays, modern technologies are being used in the agriculture sector. Thus, the socio-economic condition of the farmers have been better than earlier. And all these have been possible because of industrialization. So, my dear students, this is an example of writing creative question answer. You can make your own answer, and I expect to write your own answer with your own language. You will try to make your own answer. So by using this demo, you will do your homework, and there is homework number 3. Homework number 3, and you will do creative question answer from chapter 12. The creative question number 2, and you will do number C. So this is your homework. You will do it from chapter 2, creative question number 2, and the question number is C. That means explain the importance of the reasons seen by Nadia. So you will use your book and what you have understood from the text, you will write the answer by yourself. Chapter 12, creative question number 2, and you will write only C. Okay, you will write only answer of question number C. So my dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. And in our today's topic, we have a review of writing creative question answer. How to write creative question answer, and there is a demo of the question answer from the creative question answer. So I hope you have understood about today's topic. Do your homework and regularly, because it's very important. Your SBA, CT and DIE marks will be given on the basis of doing your homeworks, and submit your homework on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM. And study regularly, abide by your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.